guys, it's Heather with Create Again. Today I'm going to show you how I paint my feathers. I'll give you some examples of, I did the pull string angel wings, and so that's how I do those. And you can also, I'll link the video below how I do those. Those are relatively easy. I think a lot of people have seen those. But how I do my feathers, and I'll show you some examples of my feathers. Like that one's bright, and these are some more muted ones. That one, let's see, this one's really nice, shiny. It's good with metallic. That one was beautiful when I poured it, but after it dried, it just wasn't as vibrant. Same with this one. It's pretty good though, not too bad. I like this one. I've given a couple of the better ones away. I haven't put them on my website to sell, but nonetheless I have them, and maybe I'll put them online. So that's some examples. I'm going to show you how to do that. First I'm just going to paint a little background this time. Alright, so I'm using just Liquitex Basics Cobalt Blue. Showing a little bit of the background, I think. My feather is going to be this red and gold, which are Sargent Art colors, I believe. Okay, so it's just a coat down. So you're going to start laying your fluid paint down. You're going to kind of go in a V pattern towards the tip, so you can start at the base. And I like to do the base, of course, a little wide. And then I'm just going to skip a little bit because I'm going to kind of make it curved a little bit. And I'm going to add reds and yellows and oranges. And I'm going to kind of go in a pattern. I'm going to fill this in because it's a little bit lighter. Okay, so that's basically it. That's your feather in a sense. So you, after this, you're just going to blow, and you're going to blow in the direction of the up of the feather, and you can blow because you're going to have to blow a nice steady breath all the way through, or you can do a compressor. I was getting paint all over my face and my lips and my mouth constantly, so I invested in this because I was doing a lot of feathers. I'll link my couple of other feather videos below. So here goes. So I'm just going to start at the base. Okay, that's it in a sense, and sometimes I'll take and blow out a couple spots. Alright, so that's not exactly. Alright. I got most of it there, and what I'll do is I'll take, to get the stem, is use my palette knife, and then, let's see, we're going to put yellow, nice bright yellow. So I'm just going to kind of pick the paint up, and I'm going to start at the tip. I don't want a lot at the tip though. You can go the other way, like this, which I'm probably going to do right now, just to kind of show you and meet that line. But sometimes if you run down this way, if your paint has already settled back down, it will help create that down pattern. So now I'm just going to take here and make it a little more feather looking, and the paint will, especially pressing down like this, the paint will kind of gather again around that line. You may have to go back and do the line a little later. So, and I'm just going to take this here. You can kind of play with it. I think I want a little more red down here at the bottom. It's kind of a pinky red. always like how the tip ends up being. This, I think I may have put a little bit too much paint, or I probably needed to turn my compressor up. And you can play with it, see like what breadth you need. Alright, again, I'm going to put a little more pink down here at the bottom. And like I said, you might have to do this line again after the paint settles. And sometimes I will scrape off paint to make it look more natural, I guess. So that one actually wasn't a good spot. Now that I did it, I saw that. That's okay. I'll just take it out like that. So maybe you could go in here and do it like that. And this one I think needs to be brought out a little bit. And you can scooch it up a little bit if you want a little bit more of a tip. Okay, well, that's about it. I'm going to add a little more yellow to the stem. And let me know what you think in the comments if you've done that. Oh, and also, you can torch a little bit and have more bubbles come out. That always is fun. It makes it look a little better. More abstract. Okay. Alright, again, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. And let me know what you think in the comments. Talk to you later.